how to add video on Blogger website from YouTube. And okay guys, here in your Blogger website, okay, here in Blogger homepage, first things you can do is create a new post. Okay, click the new post on the upper left side on your screen, and now you can create the title and the description. After you enter the title and the description of this post, okay, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add a video from YouTube. So okay guys, you'll have to do is on the upper menu, find the insert video icon. Okay, so you can click this, and there are two options. So you can upload from computer or you can upload from YouTube. So in this tutorial I'll show you how to upload from YouTube. So select the YouTube and allow Google access to your necessary cookies. So click the allow cookies if this happened. And after that, now you can search all of your YouTube or paste a URL. So for my example, I search my YouTube video. So I search Richard Kabili Vlog and I insert one of my video. So for my example, I insert the bagong kotse, katas ng sahod sa YouTube. So okay, select this, and after you select, okay, click the insert button on the lower right side on this pop-up. So but you can select more if you want, but in this tutorial I select one only. So okay, click the insert button to insert on this Blogger website or Blogger post. So okay guys, that's it. We have successfully add a video. So if you want to publish this, okay, you'll have to do is click the publish button, and also you can preview the post before you publish this. Okay, so for my example, I preview the post of this, and okay guys, we have successfully add the video on Blogger website from YouTube. So now you can play this video directly to your Blogger website. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.